reporting for duty, sir! What's up, Dad? What's going on? See if Miggy's gets in here, then we can start answering whatever questions y'all have. I'm on a practice account because we made a boo-boo this morning. I got liquidated. It wasn't my fault, but my kid thought he was on the practice and he was on mine. So that is gone for today. It works the same exact way. Nothing changes. Which sucks, because when he got liquidated, it was right here, and he didn't set a stop, and then it went down again. and then it rode the rest of the day, so he was so close to being right, but he didn't have that stop in. If he'd have been in like 2 contracts, he'd have been fine. That's alright, he's learning. He's only 13. If I can get him to learn this by the time he's 18, he'll get to really work, right? I wouldn't have bought in after this either. Well, okay. If I would have down here, if I was trying to catch the knife, which is freaking dangerous, on this rejection I would have bought in. You got, usually my rule is 3. That's not it, is it? 9 a.m. It's down here. Dang it, what is that today? Yeah, it was this one. So you got a rejection, it held, rejection. I would have got in right here, probably right here. But as soon as it got up here, after it gets 5 points up, I'm setting my stop. See, if you would have got in, I try to get in under the right under the candle, because I know that it's going to whip down and come right back. So, I'd set my 2. As soon as it gets that 5 points up, I'm going to set my stop, 1 or 2 points. And then as it goes up, every 5 points, I'm going to move it until it gets like 20 points, and I'll just leave it at 10 points and see if it'll just keep riding. Let's see, I probably would have got stopped out like right there. Right there, it whipped up, came right back down. But he went in 15. See ya! Can't do that, dude. It's okay, I make it back tomorrow, I ain't mad. It's 3,000 on 4 accounts. Ain't no problem. Like right here, if I was going in right here, I wouldn't. But, okay, see. Buy 2. It's probably going to go down, not up, watch.
Order filled.
It should be going down. We're way oversold. Let me check people. RSI is back down to 65, so it can whip up again. But I don't think it does.
1
I'm waiting. Before... Yeah, this is top step X. Right? Yeah, top step X. That's their personal platform. So when I originally set it, I'm gonna set my stop below the last wick because that would render the trade ineligible, right? It's not what you want. I didn't mention that before because if it whips straight down, you got protection, which in this case, you know, it's 14 points, which is, you know, what, almost $600, like $550. And as soon as this crosses this, I would move my stop up, right? Let's just go ahead and move it right there. You get your ladder over here. Once it start moving up here, unless it's like a really big jump up, I'll watch the DOM. Be like, I don't want to take less than 50, so I'm going to put it at 60. Because there is a 1 point spread, right? Or 2 tick, not really a point. It's 2 ticks. Like if I were to hit close position right now, I would not get 270. I would get wherever the green's at, not the... Oh, come on, go. Put it at 100. Come on, keep going. She's probably coming back down. Oh, no. Right there. Stay under the candle. Under the wick of the last candle. Yep, that's top steps, and there's also Tradeovate, and which I've used a lot. I've got my 3 other accounts are on Tradeovate. My 3 live accounts, and then what I'm working on here to get another 150.
Order filled.
It's that easy. We're $70 errors. When I'm watching this, I am also watching the top 3 Qs and Spy. Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple, those are the top 3 for both Qs and Spy. Which is 24% of Qs and I think like 15% of Spy. Maybe 17% is Spy. But wherever Microsoft and Nvidia are going, NQ and Qs are going. Where do you think it's going, Alien? If you were to buy in it right at this moment, what would you do? Would you buy? Would you sell? Oh, there's Mickey's. What up, Dad? What's going on? I think this thing's about to tank. But I've thought that since like back here. I wanted to sell right here. And then it went whoop, which is what it does when it reaches all-time highs. The last all-time high was right, I think, under this. It was like right here. It was real close to this one, which has been resistance today. Well, it was resistance, then it became support. Those big candles are what you get every time it pops the all-time high. It popped it, and then it's slow grinding now. Biggies, what questions you got, dude? You want to see how fast you can lose money in that? should be going down. Oh, I don't want to do that. The only thing bad about TopStack X, which I've been talking with them, is on these big runs like this, the EMAs get over, and they should be under, right? They should not be on top of the candles and over them. And I don't like that at all. Is this where we have our big sell?
Order filled.
They said no. Sorry, dude. Faked you out, right?
Order filled.
Why don't you come right back down here? What's everything else doing? Nvidia's about to drop. Microsoft about to drop. Yeah, should have stayed in it.
Order filled.
Give me my money back. You lose money so fast doing this. Like, up here was the time to sell. Right now it's chasing. It's bad practice. It's what you don't do. Up here I would have sold 15. Down here I might go 1 or 2 to see what happens. But you can see you just might have to reset the ding practice. These days like this. Okay. Nvidia's finding support on 200 EMA. Microsoft finding support on 20. Apple still looks like it wants down to me, but it's coming back up. About to say goodbye right here. This is why I use stops. Look how fast you just lose all your money. Come on. You know you want to. Nope. I think that's all she wrote. She can go back up. Microsoft is back to the 50. It's kind of bouncing between the 50 and the 92. It's getting shorted. Oh, wait, no, that's Nvidia. Microsoft's going down. It's going to come back down. Maybe. Come on, fill the wick. To everybody's doing it. Go on. Dirty. Watch for top. Come on. See, they're shortening it. Shortening it hard. It's probably about to bounce up when it does that. Because they're trying to push it down and it don't want to go down. See how much green there is right now? Let's see the futures on Webull. See, this is all foreign to me. I do not know.
Order
what to
filled.
Do there. That's why I wish they had paper trading on futures, so you could see how it is. So I could see how it is. I don't want to just go cold into this. This is like, you can't see this moving. Dom's not moving. It should be. Look, it don't show nothing on time and sells because it's 15 minutes behind. And I'm not paying for it on. I'm not going to pay for it on Webull when I already have to pay for it elsewhere. What's the DOM you were looking at? Track indicate. That's the price. Okay, 1 second. I'll go back. Say we buy in right here.
Order
right?
filled.
Did I buy or sell? I don't know what I did there. How did I do that? It was a left click. It worked.
Order filled.
Alright. Come on. Fill me down here. So the DOM, this is the price is right in the middle of these two numbers. It's the price ladder. Also shows you how far it goes down, how much you're going to lose, you know, how much you're going to gain. So if it goes all the way back up to where we were earlier, $232.50. We're going to be at $590. But I think it's going to be a bear flag and we're just going to lose it the rest of the day. Yeah, that's just the order book for NQ.
Order
Let's
filled.
close that out. Get out of there. I'm going to go to ES, like you're trading Spy. Alright, now we're on ES. Say I want to buy into this.
Order filled.
We're filled right there on the market. ES has a lot less of a gap, of a spread, but instead of every tick being $10, every tick is $12.50. Which is hard for me because, you know, I'm like I need to set my stop, but it'll immediately go and take that. I can't even set a stop now. It's below. Right off the 50. This is paper, Miggies. My account was blown for today. Mistakes were made. We lost 3,000 today. Well, I didn't, but the person on my computer did. And I wasn't happy about it, but I'm like, you know, 3,000. I can make that back in those 3 accounts tomorrow. You know, one trade more than likely. See this up here, it says practice. And of course, they also got this thing called tilt down here. And it shows you what everybody else is doing. Like on Spy right now, 57% of people are short. And this is just for Top Step. In the NQ, 59% of people are short. Crude, 59%. I think Crude has something coming out, don't they? Stock change, 330. I don't know how that, I don't really watch that, but I should start watching. Moved up another tick. I'll keep it under the candle. Oh yeah, I'll get that back. I'm not, you know, I was not happy this morning. And then I felt bad for yelling at him. What is everything else doing? Spy. Yeah, I'm already looking at you. Microsoft. Might be topped out. No, Microsoft wants up more. Nvidia's kind of coming down right now. It's about to test a VWAP. It already tested it once. It's about to test it again. Apple's about to come down. So this is where I want to say reverse my position, but they're using Microsoft to keep it up. Oh yeah, yeah. This is the magic over here. I've got the alerts from the chicken strap. I've got some of them on different time frames. I'm trying to find out which time frames work the best. But once I get that down, I'm gonna talk to FMP about just having our favorite 10 or 20 in an alert section for options on his. But like for spy scalps, it's you know, every 10 minutes. Get in, get out, get in, get out. What are we doing over here? Go right back down. That's what I get for not watching right. Such low volume.
Order filled.
Basically a triple top there. You know, you could say it's bull flagging. And it tried to come up out of it, but it rejected. I don't like playing the days like where it's doing that. ES and SPY hold levels more true than NQ. NQ will go 10, 15, 20 points below or above your level and not respect it and then come right back and reject back to it, right? But ES is more true to levels. Sitting and waiting. Yeah, I've been waiting on that Apple drop too. Let's move that back to the other screen. I can open Tradeovate real quick. Let me switch screens while I log in. Where I wanted it. Alright. This one is Tradeovate. So I don't have problems with the EMAs on Tradeovate. Tradeovate uses trading views charts as well, but their EMAs work unlike Top Step X, where it's over the top of the candle for whatever reason. Does 4 play a factor? Not really. There is no 4 on the pips. Dow's in the red? I didn't even notice that. another high right now? Probably. Let's close that out. I don't want to be in there. Make an accident. Trade the wrong account. Oof, that would be bad. Yeah, there's no real 4 on this. But like any play I give out for QQQ or Spy, you could play on NQ or ES. Like if we say the rubber band's coming, you know, you can play the short end of the bounce and go long. And usually a rubber band is like 50 points. Those are the type of play. I usually play those reversal plays. You see me posting screenshots all the time. Like if we were watching here, I would have probably got a short right here. You got 3 rejections up. This is a mini rejection. You got 3 rejections up. It's going to come down. Which, if we got in above 20, you know, it's almost 10 points already. So that's $3,000 right there. Boom. Yeah, 4. 4 is implied volatility. I knew what you were talking about, buddy. But there's no 4 on this. Now, what could happen right here is we noodle flag, right? We noodle flag, probably go down into here. Probably all the way to 50, I don't know. It could doodle flag. And then into the close, bounce back up for a new high. Which I think is more than likely because tomorrow we got some pretty important shit coming out. Yeah, core inflation, CPI. I definitely will not be trading this. I might paper trade it. I mean it's fun to paper trade. But unless sometimes they'll show you early which way they're going. Unless they do that, I will not trade data like this. The hell to the nah. And then we also got FOMC. Oh man, tomorrow is gonna be wild, dude. This is probably why today is so small volumes. They always run it up like this before days where they know it's going to go down. Because they don't want it to go down too much, right? Imagine it being a 600-point day. Oh my God, so much. Like $300,000. Jesus Louise. I would quit trading for the rest of the year. I'm good, I'm out. No more futures this year. I think the biggest trade I had was, it was 2 contracts on, I think 250 points for point wise. And one of the biggest dollar amounts was that NVIDIA earnings on Spy. I posted that first quarter, it was after hours, was it January or whatever it was. I caught it at the right time, and then it just freaking flew like 300, 400 points. It's amazing. NQ makes you more money, but it can also lose you more. Yes. I guess depending on how you play it, ES can do the same. But like MNQ, micro, and each tick is only $1 instead of 5. Where's this going? I'd have to find it. I thought I had it saved somewhere, but I don't. I'd have to find it in the Discord. I'm not doing that right now. It was over 50 grand for one trade. Microsoft, it's still barely hanging on that 20 EMA. Nvidia is down. This should follow big time. It's a 1 minute. Nvidia getting bought right back up, straight to the 200. That's so weird seeing Nvidia. It looks like it's moving so much, and you look, it's like 10 cents. You're like, what the hell? What used to be $10 is now 10 cents. Apple barely fell. My puts. Jeez, I thought Apple was going to sink back below 205. It's barely at 204.90. It might hit that 200 EMA and then bounce back up at 204.43. Gold is going up. SPX. Let's look at crude. Crude's got data coming up. Crude's in a big bull flag, it looks like big old head and shoulders, but it's a big old bull flag. I don't play crude much, but you can make a ton of money real quick. Let's see if we can get in it.
Order filled.
No, I don't think she's gonna. She may not bounce. All right there. Now, crude, you have to be really careful because it is every 0.01. Every 0.01 is $10. So, I mean, if it has a 1 point move, that's woohoo! Crude is scary. I don't play it that often. I think I literally have less than 10 trades on it. And it's usually when I just pop in and see something like this. It's been going down all day. It's got data coming up though. And a lot of times on data, they'll push it down. And when the data comes out, it'll pop higher than it was before. Let me out. Y'all got? Ask anything. Yeah. On options, yeah. I was talking about futures though. But yes, on SPY, I got very lucky by an accident one day. I meant to type 100 and I typed 1,000. It was the first time I bought 1,000 contracts, and it freaking flew. I don't like watching these types because, you know, it's just so slow. Just close.
Order filled.
I don't care. What else y'all got? Throw the questions. Now, see, back then, I knew what I was doing, and I got really lucky because I could have lost all my money. And instead, I doubled my account. It was like, I think it was like 40 fucking grand, bro. I meant to buy 100 and I bought 1,000. I could have lost everything to do. That's what I'm saying. It was luck. I've only gone in 1,000 contracts a couple other times, I haven't been ballsy enough to try 5,000 contracts. Webull did up it from 1,500 to 5,000. Yeah, I don't think my huevos are grande. Huevos muy poquito. They're not that big. I couldn't, dude. Could you imagine that? Well, I mean, if you got like under a $10 contract, I mean, that's 50 grand though. Jeez. And it goes up. It goes up. It would not take much to make a lot of money. See, they said, I got the email, everybody should have got the email where they said they upped it to 5,000 contracts, but that's not for every ticker, right? Just like on Spy used to be 1,500. But I don't know if it's 5,000 anymore. I don't even know if you could trade that many, but if you tried to market sell 5,000 on Spy, you're going to lose money, I think. Markets, custom, where's custom? Let me look. Where's this going? See, it looks like we got good support right here. But it's still, I think it's a bad spot to buy back in. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This would be the 8th wick down. But it's such low volume. Like the other day when I said it was freaking out, it was like all of a sudden, you couldn't even read the time it sells, it was going so fast. All of a sudden, it was like 1,000,000 orders went through all at once. It was crazy. Let's see, Spy. Plays. Where's my chart? What the heck? Let's click on calls. 537s, which are back down to 6. There, now we got it right. Open interest is only 12,000. So if I bought 5,000 at $6, I would be a third of the open interest. Which I don't think that's... I couldn't do that. That's crazy. But you know, it goes up 1 penny and you sell and you make 25 grand. Because you know, it costs 50 cents for the contract, so you lose that half of the first dollar. Any other questions, or it's kind of, yeah, we should have sold. Let's see, 10, 20, 30 points. I'll take a 30-point trade any day. It's been hurting me today. I had very hurt feelings because I didn't really get to trade futures today. It was a day to make some money too. You could have bought any dip. Any dip after here and made money. Except for this one. If you didn't set a stop on this one, you probably would have got messed up. They do have copy trading on TopStepX. You can set up all your accounts to trade from the one, which is what I do. Thoughts on Urkel? Let's take a look. That's not enough. 30 minutes. It's at all-time highs. Is that what that is? Daily. Everything I see. No, it's not at highs. But it is off a big double top. It's a hard one to read. Honestly, I'm thinking it goes down. I hate to say that. Like, you had 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 weeks down. Consolidate, back up, back down, back up. Does it get a new all-time high today? What's the month look like? Is it in the middle of a squeeze? Let me pull up Weeble real quick on the other screen. RCL. What the heck? What are you doing, Weeble? It wouldn't let me click in the thing to pull up a different ticker. Daily. Let's see, last earnings, it gapped way up. 112 to 124, so that's $12 gap up. One before that was $12 gap down. So you're looking at a $12 play, 25 to 09. Here. Let's see. Gaps everywhere, gaps everywhere. How much do they make? 13 billion. I mean, they make more than Nvidia. 12 billion. 13 billion. Supposed to have an EPS of 1.17. Close this. Where's the little? Man. No, I don't want ideas. The income's been going down. That doesn't even show first quarter. Or is this the first quarter? No. I still think it's just, it's one of those spots where it's just, I think it loses. So filled that gap. That gap got right there. That gap got filled right here. So technically it has no gap to fill. Last time it had a double top, kind of like the one we're on right now. It just fell off the face of the earth. So that's how I'm feeling. I think it goes down. They had a deal with Tesla. Yeah, everyone's throwing that AI word out. I think the sell signal holds. I think it does like this. I think it goes down $12. 12 to 15. I'd probably play a $10 put. Let's see what they're worth. Option. I'm gonna go to option strat. How overpriced are they? I don't know what their normal floor is. Okay, but if you went with a this week put or 124, so say, let's see, how much is 117, 181? 118 put. That should go in the money, in my thought process. You lose $12, it's 112. You could make 577. Maybe I'll play strangle on this. Go some crazy, go like a $13 out the money call with a 118 put. Let's see. Where's it at on here? I know they don't call it the same thing that me and Gavin do. And strangle. 118 put and we're at 124, so 136. Call. Less chance of being red tomorrow. If I was going to play it, this is what I'd do. 100%. I might actually do it. I kind of like it. You know what? Let's screenshot it, put it, post it. Oh no, what? Why is it because I'm streaming or what? There we go. How much time we got left? 30 minutes. I think that's a good call. I think it goes down. I don't think the call is necessary. But as protection, you know, is it that bad? Let's see, how much is the 134 call? How much you waste? How much it goes down? 140 bucks. But if it goes where I think it goes, you know, instead of 550, you make 140 less. Still make good money. But if it goes up, you basically come back even, right? Unless it goes, you know, like 135, yeah, it'd be even. Above 132, it'd be even. What we got going here? Still just going down. Dang it, dude. What's everything else doing? Oracle, day plays. You have a pick. Where are we at? Okay, Oracle. Puts. What put did I say? 118, right? Alright. I'm in. What do y'all think? We shoot back up here? Let's go see. Microsoft. Microsoft's going up again. Yep, yep. Oh, it's too late. Ah! Let's chase.
Order filled.
Do exactly what we're not supposed to do in chase. Hope it comes back up to the top. Oh, it's gonna bug that little dip. Oh well. This is a practice count, don't matter. It's gonna go, watch, it's gonna go straight to my stop. It's something I noticed about Tostick X. It's sometimes I feel it's fishy because it'll gap straight to my stop and then rip the other way. Take it off. Not today. See, it went straight to where my stop was. It's a magnet. Gavin does not agree with me. He said he thinks upside is more likely. He's like, what the fuck app is that? See what happens when you chase? You lose money. Bad chicken. Let's lose it all. I'm just gonna hold that. That's usually not a good sign. We're getting just as many rejections up as we are down. Come on, power hour. We want it. What points is that? 29 because we're in it. So 31 points. What are you crying about, dog? Jeez Louise. Let's see, what is everything else doing? Do I need to just take this off? Chicken don't like losing money even if it's fake. Nvidia looks like It's rejecting VWAP.
Order filled.
I don't like it. Gold is going up. IWM. What's DXY doing? DX. Oh, you can't pull up DXY on this one? Alright, pull it up on Webull. Gold is maybe bottoming. If it does bottom, I mean the dollar, the DXY, if that bottoms and starts coming up, we're going straight down. Like then it goes up. Fake me out. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Spy by. Let's see if my alert's right.
Order filled. Order filled.
Immediately getting shorter. What time is it? 39? So that was the 08. Yeah, I gotta figure out if I can get it to not trigger on the 03 or 08. Nvidia going down, Microsoft going up, Apple going up. Screw it, let's go back in. Come on, come on, come on.
Order filled.
There we go. Hello, crack ahead. She smelled my breath and says, shoot. Too much garlic in that soup. Quick scalp on the bottom. Heck yeah, dude. Quick scalps are the way sometimes. Like, look. That would have been $600 if I already hit close. The other day when I said I was making 50 like twice a minute, this is what I was doing. Scalping back and forth. I just kept hitting reverse position. I hate this when it does this. And if they're going to give me $50 twice a minute, I'll take it. I wouldn't do that with 15s. Man, I wanted this to go up. If I set a stop, it's gonna take it immediately. Oh well, should have set a stop. What time was that? 14:40. I don't like it. I don't like it. Get me out. Let me out. Let me out of here. Seems like this is a good time to do quick scalps. But you got to be quick. When it's slow like this, oh, there you go. Go, Daddy, go. Give Daddy what he wants. Just leave it. No, don't you come to my stop. Go back. Honestly, I think we're just fighting the inevitable right now. I think it's going down. One thing I don't like is if I hit close position, it will not take the market sell off. The other day, I kept hitting close position, then I'd be in another one. I was like, I just hit close. What is happening? And I figured it out. My stop was getting eaten too fast before I could cancel it. And if you hit cancel all, it takes away your stop, but leaves you in the position. Stop selling.
Order filled.
Get out of there. 3,000? What the fuck? 3,000. That may have been paper if it's 3,000 because they just went to 5,000. I did a couple 1,000s by accident. I don't remember, dude. It was 1,500. I have to go through my orders in Weeble. Let's see if I can do it right now. Account. How do you do this on PC? Statement. Exercise history. Yeah, we don't we don't exercise, dude. No, we don't want to do that. Tax documents. Trade confirmation. So far, I'll try and find it for you. Last 3 months. The most you could buy at one time was 1,500. I don't remember doing it twice to have 3,000. I'll see if I can find it tonight. But that was around the time I was talking about that lazy river. I remember that. I found it. I found that lazy river online that you could get built in your backyard. What's Top Step doing? So this is kind of boring. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Slow grind. Like at dangerous times to play are at open and data. Like right here. Yeah, that's it. Right here was when we had the, what is it, the 10-year. Let's see, 10-year note auction, 12. I think that's the right candle. Yeah, 12. Went from 80 to 27 on a 10-year note sell, which is crazy. But a lot of times on data, you'll get data, you'll get a 100-point swing, which is very freaking dangerous if you're on the wrong side, because you never know what they're going to do. Sometimes it'll be the right right call for the data and it'll go the opposite way. You never know what they're going to do. Sure thing, dude. No problem. Stream tomorrow? Okay. We'll try to be in the Discord tomorrow. There goes the sell. Here comes the sell-off. She's going. All right, Alien, I think it's just me and you, dude. Alien, if you ain't got no more questions, I'm probably just gonna shut it down for now. The close is almost here. Let's see if it runs up into close. It's already starting to run.
Order filled.
Chase it. Chase it. There we go. I didn't even check. Microsoft. It's coming back up. Nvidia is going straight down. Apple's going up. I don't know if they'll be able to. Nvidia's selling down hard. Nvidia's selling down way hard. It looks hard, but it's, 40 cents. Jesus. I didn't get my stop in. I think I should probably reverse. I think everything's about to follow Nvidia.
Order filled.
Watch it not. I reversed too late too. I should have looked before I got in. Video's still straight down. It's at its previous support spot. If it loses 120.26, it could go to 119. Let's see, 120.04. And then it just freaking rips. Jeez Louise. Nvidia about to go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Take them all. Give me all my money back. Chasing is not something you're supposed to do. is almost filled the candle. It just got shorted. $0.04 away. Microsoft is kind of topping off again. It's moving slow. Apple still to the moon. Oracle is down since I called it earlier. Now it's coming back up. I'm going to retest VWAP. Q's is up. Obviously, we're looking at it. Spy might make its all-time high by close. It's got 5 minutes to get 50 cents, 55 cents. I think they gotta go for a new all-time high here, right? If they don't hit it, I don't know, because I think data's gonna be bad tomorrow. Of course, we don't play what we think. Real account, we wait for reversals. We don't do this crap. You don't chase. Like even right here, I wouldn't take that trade. I need more confirmation it's going. Okay, we're going for a new high. That's where it can start gapping. Right under the candle in case we reject hard. Spy is 30 cents away. Spy 20 cents away. NQ new all-time high. What it beat over by one tick? What's wrong with Pepper, Hunter? She left you? Oh, that's the worst. Don't give up on Spy yet. I might move this down because they need to move Spy up, so I think it gaps up here. Spy rejected it. Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. You almost had it, Dad. Apple hit 207 and rejected. Nvidia got to VWAP and rejected. It's probably coming straight back down. They're going to retest the band, maybe. Let's just move this down just to see what happens. I would have taken profit close to the line because I know that's the spot where it was earlier. I would have probably moved my stop up to the 200, and if it broke 200, I would have taken, well, I would have got stopped out, but that would have been my profit zone. Even though it's goofy on here, it should have been where the 20 is probably. Where the 10 should be. That's how bad the come on. Q's going for a new all-time high. Okay, let's put this right under those candles. 19,220. Come on. Spy's 40 cents away again. Trying to come back. It's got 2 minutes. Gaps up or it don't. If anything, they probably go 50. They like round numbers. it's crazy to, you know, not take 5. Come on, go to 50. Is it going to go higher than 50? If it gets there, we just take it. Come on. Watch, it's going to go to 50. Ah, oh, didn't make it. That's it. It's probably going to go down now. Let's see what happens right here. Probably going to get stopped out. That's the bell. Ding, 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 ding.
Order
Just take it
filled.
off. Well, we almost got 50. Surprised they didn't get it. Nvidia's still trying to go up. Oh my goodness, Hunter, what are you yelling about, dude? $537.01. I was off by a penny. I quit. Oh, what did those 537s get to? I called them out yesterday. I sold mine already today. I didn't hold till the end of the day. They got to, click it, 135. Oh wait, that's puts. 0.20. So it was higher earlier. 0.40. Even though they went in the money for a split second. But they still went from 0.1 to 0.20 at the end. That's 2,000%. Could you imagine if you had 100 of them? Ooh-wee. Or 1,000. Or 3,000. Jesus. If you spent 5,000 on a bet, but at that point when it's only a penny, that's what you're doing, is betting. That would have been the one to do it. Jeez. All right, well. Oh yeah, dude, I bet it is killing you. Oh, you made a 118 call this morning on NVIDIA? I should show you my Facebook chat. My friend was asking me about it, and I said it's probably going to test down to 119 and come right back up. And it went to 118.74 and came right back up. But I mean, it's really weird seeing NVIDIA only move $1 or $2 a day. It's, I mean, technically it went from almost 123 to basically 119 and back to 120, so $5 down, almost $3 back up. Yeah, $2 back up. That's a good call, dude. All right, well, I guess we do it again tomorrow. Miggy's asked for it again tomorrow, so why not? I hope you find a job, buddy. 100% on the right entry. Hey, you're doing better than me. Lately, I've been about 5 minutes early on my entries, which, you know, still the right call, but you go through that 5 minutes saying, fuck, did I fuck up? Where did I go wrong? Then you start looking at everything, you start overthinking it, then you sell for a loss, and then it goes where you thought it was going to go, and you're like, oh, I'm an idiot. Any futures questions you come up with before tomorrow, just let me know and we'll try to go over it. I mean, it's just like playing shares, except it's like shares and options mixed, kind of. Because basically you're betting on a price that it's going to be at the end of NQM4, which is 2 weeks, I think. Yeah. Well, half the trades you saw me take today, I would not take. Like where was it? Right here, I would have went short. That's my rejections up. And as soon as it got down, into this candle, I would have set a stop. A couple points off, and write it down. And every couple points, move it a point or two. So that would have been a 20 to 195. See, I probably wouldn't have caught that. I probably would have got stopped out because I probably would have moved it to here and got stopped right there before it went another couple points down. Right here would have been a good spot to go up. It's more than 3 rejections. More than 3 rejections. More than 3 rejections to go back up. Only 1 rejection. If I was going to play it, I'd only played 1, not 15, like when I was chasing it on the stream. If I'm chasing, I wouldn't go more than 1, because when you saw me chase earlier, I chased the wrong way. And even I was saying I wouldn't go in here, but it's paper, right? It's a bad way of thinking, but see, this is a perfect bull flag into the rip. Perfect. This one noodle flagged and ripped. She's trying to come back up. All right, man. Oh, seeing me set stops? I mean, playing without stops on NQ is like the most dangerous thing you could do. It's like if I went in 15 here and then it shot here, I'm done for the day. That's it. It's over. Game over. You lost your 3,000. You're done for the day. Get out of here. I mean, they have, even on paper account, they have that. It's a rule. And if I can set my stop to where I'm never not in the green, I'm going to do it. It's protection. So like right here, if I would have went back in, you got 3 rejections, right? So you go back in, and it starts coming up. Oh, it's not 5 points. Okay. As soon as it gets 5 points up at 2.5, I'm putting that stop. 2.5 points up. And then every 5 points goes up, I'll move it 2.5 more. When I start thinking it's going to turn, I'll put it below the last candle, or keep moving it up, or just close the position if I think it's going to turn. I do what I can, dude. We're all here for the same thing, right? Hey, enjoy your night too. Have a good one, dude. I'll catch you later.